Hi guys, hope everybody is safe and well. In this next set of videos, we're going to be focusing on chord and chord techniques. I wanted to make a short video strumming some of the progressions in the book just to kind of solidify the strumming of different time signatures and some of the patterns written in the book. So I'm just going to play a few of the progressions on page 45 and particularly 1, 2, and 3, just to show the difference between the 4/4, 3/4, and 2/4 time signatures. And then I'll play some of the strumming patterns from chapter 8. So I'll play through each one twice. Even though there's no repeat sign written on these first three, I'm going to play them as if there was a repeat sign, which would be the 2 dots added to that double bar there. So in this case of number 1, it's 4/4 time, and I'm going to be playing 4 strums per measure. So again, when not indicated, we're making the assumption of playing 1 quarter note for every beat, 1 strum for every quarter note and every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was number 1. Again, this is page 45 from the Disler PDFs that I've sent out to you. Again, you could do this with any piece in the Hal Leonard book. Just look at the time signature, look at the chord, and how many measures of that chord are given. You won't see a new chord until it's time to change. So the blank measures mean to continue playing the same chord. That's the same in both books. So now we're moving on to number 2, which is in 3/4 time. So there'll be 3 strums per measure. And I'm going to be careful about hitting the correct bass note here. Open D for the D, open E for the E, and open A for the A7. Sorry, open E for the E minor. So here's number 2 in 3/4 time. Twice through. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For number 3, we're in 2/4 time. 2/4 time, and I will be only playing 2 chords per measure here, and I'll do it twice through as well. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. just a basic demonstration of those 3 chord progressions with 1 strum per beat. I'm going to move over now to Chapter 8. Chapter 8, this is page 51. And I'm going to play some of these exercises with different rhythms. Here's number 1 on page 51 with only 1 chord, E minor. But I'm having to strum on beats 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1, I'll do this twice as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And whole note. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can see I'm following the rhythm that's actually written in for the chord strumming here. I'm going to go down to number 3 now and remind you that what we do with eighth notes, which are the beamed notes here, is we actually play down and up strums. So I'll be playing down on beat 1 and then down, up for beats 2 and 3 and. Okay, so I'll play this one twice through as well. It's in 3/4 time, number 3 on page 51. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and down, down, up, down, up, down, down, 2, 3. Okay, and then here's number 4 in C. Only 1 chord in this progression. I have a half note for 2 beats, a quarter note for 1 beat, and then a down up strum at the end of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the bottom of the page, they suggest that you write the counting in, and I think you can see this on the video. The first one is in 3/4 time with a quarter note getting the first strum, then the half note getting beats 2 and 3. And that repeats until the last measure. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to try one of these ones with eighth notes again. And this is number 6. You can see the counting has been written in, and you can practice doing that for the final in your own versions of these PDFs. It's a good idea to write any of these rhythms in just to get a practice, just to get a little practice writing the rhythms and understanding the time signatures. So here it is, E major, 4/4, number 6 on page 51. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, I'll do the C7 chord, which is down, 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 up, or quarter, quarter, eighth, eighth. 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, so that's just what I wanted to do for this video. It's just a short example, quick run through of some strumming and some basic ideas about reading these chord charts when you're trying to play them. So look at the rhythms and then try to play them cleanly and put the correct bass notes in, and make sure for your eighth notes you are doing an even down and up stroke. Down, up, down, up, down, up for the eighth notes. Have a great day. See you soon.